amended.
Shebi una say Obaseki no good. Una say Obaseki na Ogiomba. No be God, no Obaseki that vat this federal political appointment wey come for Edo State to three ambassador Oshiomole that vat am to Edo North. Una wey be majority, una turn minority. Edo South, Itamuwa, Wamaon. This Igbo rain, he don't touch EJ Agbonanima. He don't cry, come out by himself. I know say this political appointment, this ambassador, he pain this man well, he pain am. But unfortunately, Osioba don't carry the food wey belongs to una. Go give him own people. Shebi una say Obaseki no good. Una say Obaseki na Ogiomba. See wetin Oshiomole wey be Osioba do una. The truth be say, these people, they know una secret. Yes, they know the pin, and I go give una the pin for here. The code be say, loyal to the king. Anything where the king talk, just do am. Even if you not do anything for the people of Edo South, they not care. They go sing praises, follow you. So long you are loyal to the king, so long you do anything where the king talk. Even if other people not chop or they don't get any appointment, they not go talk. So far, you give ticket to the Lions and Tigers with the Edo South. Edo South, Lions and Tigers. Now ticket, now be una portion for this government or for this party. Now so ticket una want the courts. Oshiomole that vat three federal political appointment ambassador. He carry and go give him own people. Minority, now come dey decide for una, wey be majority. See how una take reduce una self to nothing. These same people go dey use una take dey destroy una own. This same Oshiomole wey divert this federal political appointment to im own people so, na im reduce Lucky Gbenedion to the level wey Lucky Gbenedion dey today. Make una not forget say when Lucky Gbenedion was the governor of Edo State, he make so many Benin people. Yes. Now Lucky Gbenedion make Bobizwa be who Bobizwa be today. This same Oshiomole na him destroy Pastor Osagie Izeyamu political career. Oshiomole vow say Izeyamu can never be the governor of Edo State. He do Izeyamu to the extent say Izeyamu no get maths when it comes to political issues for Edo State. Then go use una till they destroy una own. And they see they use una till they pursue Obaseki they go so. These same people now they use una till they pursue Obaseki they go so because they know say the only stronghold where those are the get now Obaseki. And now only Obaseki don't beat all their political records. Yes, Obaseki don't beat all their records. Obaseki fingerprint don't cover all their fingerprints. Now the reason why they look for one way or other, they use una make una take destroy Obaseki the way una take use una hand take destroy Lucky Gbenedion and they use una take destroy Izeyamu. Now wetin they dey do to una? Una say Obaseki na Ogiomba. See wetin Osioba dey do una now. Omobera Begui have a settle. Una turn una own to something else. These people stand underground, they use una till they pursue una own, they go. The evil rain, they never touch una now. Because these people know una secrets. Edo South, Itamuwa, Wamaon, now una will pay the ultimate pride when it comes to this government. This same Oshiomole don't still give Okpebolo the pin. And na that same code, now Okpebolo go take operate with una for 4 years if una no in pinch am. Just loyal to the king. Anything where the king talk, do am. Even if you don't do anything for the state, these people not care. Even if you not give anything to the people of Edo South, they not care. They will sing praises, they follow you. These people, they really love Okpebolo. The answer is no.
Time they come, all of una go appreciate, apologize, remember Obaseki. You see what dey happen now? The evil rain don't reach Edo South. Oshiomole, Oshobaba don't shook hand for their eye. They don't begin to cry. The evil rain, it don't knock for their doorstep. If na your first time of coming across my YouTube, make una help me subscribe. Edo World TV.